In this video, I'll show you how to add serial numbers inside a table in Microsoft Word. This is a simple yet very useful feature when you want to organize data, create lists, or keep track of items in a table. To get started, open your Microsoft Word document and locate the table where you want to add serial numbers. Next, select the column that will contain the numbers. Make sure you highlight only the cells that need numbering to avoid affecting other parts of your table. Once the column is selected, go to the Home tab at the top of the screen. In the Home tab, look for the Paragraph section. Here, you'll see a numbering drop-down menu. Click on the drop-down and select the numbered bullet option, which is usually represented by numbers 1, 2, 3, and so on. As soon as you select this option, Microsoft Word will automatically insert serial numbers into the selected column. The numbers will adjust automatically if you add or remove rows, making it very flexible for tables that may change frequently. And that's it. Adding serial numbers to a table in Microsoft Word is quick, easy, and helps keep your data organized and easy to read. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.